Health and fitness. This niche is an absolute gem. There is no single person in this world who is not serious about his health. This makes this niche highly profitable with a very high RPM and CPM because when the demand is high, large companies and organizations will sponsor you, which leads to an increase in RPM and CPM, and trust me, this niche is a goldmine for Instagram influencers and YouTubers. As we all know, by the end of 2022, many new YouTubers and influencers rose in self-improvement niche, which completely changed the perspective of how people think. A very large community of people had enough with their bad habits, and they decided to change physically as well as mentally, and all this movement gave a sudden boost to an already in-demand niche, health and fitness, and now it is one of the most paying niche out there. And today we are gonna create a video on this niche from scratch, but first let's do our channel branding. For channel name, head towards ChatGPT and then type, "Provide me some good and unique channel names on health and fitness niche," and then press enter. It will provide you with some unique channel names. All you need to do is choose a name that you find interesting. And now for profile picture, open Leonardo AI, and on the home page you will find ton of images. All of these images are completely copyright free and you can use them anywhere you want. You can select any image you like from here. That's the best way for getting profile picture. Simply click on the image you like and download it. Now let's head straight to the main part, the script for our video. For that, again, go to ChatGPT and just type "Provide me YouTube video ideas on health and fitness niche," then press enter. And here you have the ideas. Just pick up any topic that you like and then again type "Provide me a short script in a single paragraph on this topic," then write your topic name and then press enter. It will start spitting out the script. Read the script. If you think it's interesting and engaging, keep it, or simply click here to regenerate the script. And once you have the script, it's time to generate the voiceover. The best voiceover site I personally recommend is 11 Labs because it is free and has many good features, but you can use any other text-to-speech tool that you like. Now to generate voiceover in 11 Labs, go to ChatGPT and copy up your script and paste it here. From above, select any voiceover character, and then from here generate the voiceover, and after the voiceover is ready, download from here. But keep one thing in mind: if you are on free plan, give 11 Labs attribution in your description. For this, simply come to the home page of 11 Labs and then copy up the URL from here and then paste this link in the description of your every video, just like this. Okay, so now let's get the visuals for our video. Simply go to Leonardo AI, then click on image generation, then here write your prompt. Be creative, read first line of your script, and then write a prompt by yourself according to the situation. Nope, you have to be creative. I want you to be creative, so not gonna provide any shortcut. Be creative, try, and trust me, you will become a pro in matter of days. Okay, after you wrote a prompt, then from here select your AI model and select number of images from 2 to 4, then from below select 9:16 and then click on generate and wait for a few seconds and your images will be ready. Now don't download the image, instead come back to the home page and then click on motion and then click on select an image and then click on your generations. Then from here click on the image that you want to animate and then click on confirm and then click on generate button and then wait for a few seconds. And once the animation is ready, simply download it and repeat the same procedure for all of the images. Now you don't need to turn every image into animation, only transform the important ones and use combination of images and animations in your videos. Now after everything is ready, it's time to put everything together in an editing software. We will use CapCut. Click on import and import all the materials. Then first place the voiceover on the timeline and cut out the empty spaces from the complete timeline, because we want fast pacing to hook the attention of the audience. After the voiceover is edited, now place all the images and video clips on the timeline. Now carefully listen the voiceover and arrange each clip accordingly. Now click on each clip one by one and then go to animations, then go to the combo ones, and from here add animation on each clip. Do this process with all of the clips, and once done, then to add little bit more crisp. We will also use transitions between a few clips. Go to transitions, then from here simply choose transitions of your choice, and again do the same process with every clip. It's very easy, you can do it. Now we want to enhance the quality of our video. Go to filters and then search for clear filter. Here you will see many filters and the one I personally use is clear 2. Just drag and drop it on the timeline and stretch it on the complete timeline. Now the video is almost ready. Go to text and click on auto captions, then select English. Then click on generate, then wait for a few seconds, and then choose the template for your captions. Then to add more crisp to the captions, you can change the color of the captions and font style, background, and once done, just simply adjust captions on a readable location on the screen, and done. Our video is ready. Simply export it now, and let's watch the result.
A full-body workout routine is an excellent way to achieve overall health and fitness for individuals at varying experience levels. For beginners, focus on foundational movements such as bodyweight squats, push-ups, and lunges to build strength and coordination. Intermediate individuals can incorporate additional resistance through dumbbells, regardless of the level. It's crucial to include a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility work to promote a well-rounded fitness regimen. Always prioritize proper form, gradual progression, and listen to your body to avoid injury while on the path to a healthier and fitter lifestyle.
Well, that was pretty good, and this was only tutorial. Just imagine how good you can become if you start working on this niche. Well, that was all for today. If you found our efforts valuable, do subscribe, and we'll see ya all soon.